Hi everybody, Roy here. Hey, I'm in the potting shed cleaning seeds. It's about 14 degrees out, so it's kind of chilly, but there's no wind because I'm moist cold treating the seeds I clean. We're putting them in the refrigerator to get them 12 weeks of moist cold treatment so they'll germinate. And I've put some of that information on some of the YouTube shows earlier, but there's a cool one coming up. I had gone to visit Erin, the Impatient gardener, at her home up north of Milwaukee to look at a garden site that she had prepared. So we're doing a YouTube show, so if you check out her show, it'll be coming up soon. We'll walk through the garden, look at the site, I brought up some plants, we'll talk about the possibilities of plants, and then we're going to do a design together to put the plantings together. So it's quite exciting to kind of collaborate and look at kind of what her thoughts are, what plants represent how she feels, and tied into her existing garden. So if you check out the Impatient Gardener's YouTube, Erin, and then we'll follow up with a design show on my YouTube station, kind of putting our thoughts together and seeing about and discussing the process. So I got to get back to cleaning seed. My hands are getting cold, and getting the house in moist cold treat them. But again, it's a beautiful sunny day, and it's January. All right, it's January. So I'll see you all later. Have fun. Stay warm. Bye.